Hey ADAC campers, my name is Miss Kaiya and I am a youth worker at ADAC. Today I will be showing you guys how to make a quick, easy, and delicious treat. And the treat that we'll be making today are decorated chocolate covered pretzels. Now before we begin, make sure that your workspace and surface is cleaned, and also make sure that you wash your hands with soap and water because that is very, very, very important. What you'll be needing for today's treat are pretzels. You can use any pretzels that you like. You'll also be needing some sprinkles. These are also optional because you really don't have to decorate it with sprinkles if you don't want to. And you'll be needing chocolate. So I have white chocolate and I also have milk chocolate. For me, these are my favorite chocolates, but you can use white chocolate, milk chocolate, dark chocolate, or either one, whatever one you like. Depending on how many chocolates you have, you'll need that amount of bowls. So because I'm using two different chocolates, I have two different bowls. And I also have two different spoons for mixing. And I have a plate for when the pretzels are done. The first step is to pour your chocolate milk inside of a bowl. Make sure that your bowl is microwave safe because this will be going into the microwave. You might not need a whole bag, but it also depends on how many pretzels you want. Make sure when you're putting these in the microwave that you are very careful because the bowls can come out hot, or you can make sure that you have the help of someone older or an adult that can help you put it in the microwave and take it back out the microwave. So I'll go put these in the microwave and I'll be right back. When melting your chocolates, you want to make sure you put them in for 30 seconds. And once the 30 seconds are done, you use your spoon to stir it up. And then you'll have to put it in for another 30 seconds. Depending on the chocolate that you have, if it's not melted, then you can always add it in for extra time, or maybe you might not need as much time. So now I have both my chocolates melted. I have the milk chocolate melted and it's very warm. And I also have my white chocolate. So now that you have the chocolate, you'll be needing your plate next. So you can do as many pretzels as you want to do, but I'm only going to do a few. I'm just going to dump the pretzels out on the plate. Once you pour your pretzels out on the plate, you can make space for the ones that are going to be already dipped in chocolate. So I'm going to grab my first pretzel and I'm going to go with the white chocolate first. All you have to do is dip it in like this. You can flip it, it might get a little messy, but that's okay. And you also have to kind of hit it against the side just to let the chocolate drip. And you just sit it right out on your plate when you're done. So I'm going to do those for white chocolate, and I'm also going to do those for milk chocolate. Now I have all the pretzels done, and this is how they're looking. I have the white chocolate pretzels on this side, and the milk chocolate pretzels on this side. The process, like I said, can be messy, but it's nothing wrong with getting your hands a little messy. Oh, now that they're all out on the plate, you can decorate your pretzels. And like I said, in the beginning we have sprinkles. You can put a little sprinkles on your pretzel. You can also drizzle leftover chocolate that you have on a pretzel. So I'm going to use the milk chocolate and drizzle it on top of my white chocolate pretzels. Or you can always leave some plain. whenever you prefer. So I have this side with milk chocolate and sprinkles, and this side with white chocolate and milk chocolate drizzle on top. You have to let them sit to cool, but to speed up the process, you can put them in the refrigerator. Now my pretzels are all cooled off and they're ready to eat. Let's try one together. This treat right here is a very good treat, especially for those who love chocolate, which I do. I love chocolate. And chocolate is something that can go on many things. So not only can you put chocolate on pretzels, but you can always do this same thing with strawberries and have chocolate covered strawberries, or chocolate covered bananas, chocolate covered pineapples, anything you like, because chocolate tastes good on about everything. Thanks for watching our first treat, chocolate covered pretzels, and I hope you enjoyed. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.